Alright everyone, Matt here, Auto 1 Browns Plains. We've gone live and we've got Kat doing a unveiling unboxing of Kincrome, the new little mini contour toolkit.
Are we ready? Brace yourself, people.
Oh, it's looking good.
Here we go. I'm excited. Oh, here we go. I can hear some rattles.
Yep. So there's a 49 piece, 2 drawer.
How cute.
Great gift for Dad.
I
Dad
love
would
it.
love one of these. Let's have a look at what's in there. Whoa, you shouldn't turn it upside down.
I know. I
Yes.
wrecked it.
The multi-tool.
It's got everything.
That is cool as. Shifter, one box knife.
Everything you can need and more.
That is cool as. That. Alright.
Oh, I could actually, that one goes like that.
You got
Here we
a
go.
socket set. Oh, yeah. Ratchet. That's cool. There's this one.
He must be there. There we go. Perfect.
Alright, so we've got that one, and then there's also an empty one, as you can see there. Put your own BYO tools.
I love it.
Yeah.
I want one.
Alright, signing out.